Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of All Things Cut and Craft. You're welcome if you are new, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I am so grateful. So it's the Christmas season. Yeah, I really like Christmas, and I know you do too, because it's the most wonderful time of the year where we are all happy. There is joy, there is peace, there is blessings, and everything is beautiful. So today we are going to be customizing a baby onesie. I will be writing my first Christmas on a baby onesie. Today's project is quite different from the one that we've been doing. We've been doing a vinyl project. Today we are going to be doing an iron-on project. So I want to hope that you will keep watching. You won't go anywhere because it's going to be an interesting one. So I'll be back shortly.
So this is one of the supplies, and it's the major supply. This is called buffalo ply. It's mostly used for Christmas and for some other things. And it came in 3 patterns. We have the plaid, I have the other ones which are white and black. Those are really cute patterns, but for this particular project I need the plaid, so I'll be removing that and return all the other ones. And behind camera I already measured the size of the cut I'm going to be putting on the onesie. It's a 1-year-old baby onesie. Yeah, so I already measured the breadth and the width, so I'll just go ahead, cut that out and keep the remaining part for subsequent use. And for this I'll be using the standard grip mat, which is majorly used for most cuts, especially iron-on, vinyl and even paper. So I'll be placing that the Chinese side down, the buffalo plate pattern side down. So this is my cut. So behind the camera I did all other things, so I do not want to bore you. I just want to skip that for this particular video. So I did all that behind the camera and I have my cut, but for me not to waste the part that is not being cut around the iron-on, so I use this tool to just cut out some stars from the parts that I do not cut. So I'll just make sure to be careful not to spoil what I have cut out. So after doing that, then I take my weeder, open it up at the point, then just weed it out. The part that I really want will surface, and I will do this until I have a very clear cut. So here I have it all weeded and ready to be pressed on the sheet. So I'll just get my heat press, turn it on, then it will start getting hot and getting ready for me to use. But before then I'll prep the sheet by just folding it into 2 so I can get the middle part. I think that is the easiest way to get the middle part of your shirt. Then you also fold your cut to get the middle part, so that will be very easy. The actual temperature for each press depends on your base material and what you're pressing on, so do want to check that out while doing that. So this for mine is 330 and I'll be pressing for 30 seconds. So, and you apply a very light pressure. When that is done, counting down, you flip it over and do the same thing for another 30 seconds on the back side. And when we are done pressing the back side, it's recommended that you let it cool before you peel the liner. So you set it aside and let it cool down, then you remove the liner. And if you see that it's not adhering, you can return and press a little bit more, then you let it cool. And here I have it, because it's so cute and beautiful.
I believe you find this video interesting and useful and you have learned one or two things. If so, please don't forget to hit that like button. Yes, do share with friends too, and don't forget to leave your thoughts. Do well to check in the description box other videos that you might be interested in watching, and there are links in the description box too where you can purchase those things that you need to get started as a beginner, and there are other videos that will also get you started. And if you have questions, I'm there in the comment section to attend to them. Feel free to drop those questions and I will definitely attend to them. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is your crafty friend reminding you to always create your own happiness because it's in your hands. See you in the next video. Bye bye.